Let's we directly move on to our today's topic, that is,
What's the difference between
each, every, all. Hello and welcome to everyone in the What's the Difference series. This is the third video of What's the Difference series. If you don't watch the previous videos, first watch them by clicking on the I button. And in this video, a keynote is also given to provide some value to your knowledge. So, without wasting time, let's we directly move on to our today's topic, that is,
What's the difference between
each, every, all. Don't skip the lecture because the words spoken in this lecture is very informative and important. So first, we start with the meaning of
each? Use each when referring to an individual members of a group, one at a time.
You can easily understand it with the help of example.
First example, indifferent. The soldiers each get medal.
Let's see some other examples of each.
Second example, indifferent. Each artist sees things differently. Third example, indifferent. We need each other. Fourth example, indifferent. They hated each other.
If you don't understand anything, repeat the lecture immediately, because this is not your boring school class. This is your Education Info 404 Playway Discussion Lab. Now, we discuss about
every. We use every to talk about collectively things more than individually. It also means each and all.
The examples of every are:
first example, I shave every morning. Second example, I take a break every 3 hours. Third example, every artist is sensitive.
Keynote: the easy way to understand the difference between two things is to remember the meaning of the word when using example. Now it's time to discuss the meaning and examples of
all means total. We use it to talk about the total number of things.
The easy and understandable examples are:
first example, indifferent. I stayed home all day instead of going to work. Second example, indifferent. All men are equal. Third example, indifferent. All cheetah are fast.
Look at the examples again for better understanding. And always remember, each, every and all can be used on a similar place. Note, remember the meaning when you are looking at the examples. So, let's end up here. Subscribe to the channel to get more free informative videos. Like the video, share the video, and if you like your animated tutor, tell us on comments. Thanks for watching. Lots of love to everyone.